Welcome! In the following how-to video guide, we're going to learn how to implement parental controls on Android phones using the free Applock application. This will enable you to decide what applications you're comfortable with your child using and if you want your child to be able to download applications themselves or not. It also allows you to prevent privacy settings from being changed, such as location sharing, for example. First thing we need to do is we need to install the Applock application on the phone that you want to install the parental controls on. So we need to find the Play Store, which may be on your home screen, or it may be in the app drawer here. So click on Play Store. Once the Play Store is open, we hit the little search logo and we tap in Applock. There it is. Click on that. You will see a list of apps. The one we're looking for is the first one here, Applock. So click on that. Then click Install. Click Accept. And wait for the app to download. Once downloaded, click on Open. And the app will now ask you to create your PIN code, your passcode. So pick a 4-digit numbered code that's difficult for somebody to figure out. It will then ask you to re-enter it again. You've now set your PIN code, and it will now ask you to provide a security email, which is essentially designed to retrieve your passcode should you forget it. So put in the email address of your choice and click Save. Click OK, and you're now in the main menu of this application. The first thing we want to do is go into the settings, and in the settings scroll down. Settings, click on Settings, click on this settings icon here, move down to Advanced Protection, click on Advanced Protection. This will now bring you through the installation process for the Advanced Protection, which essentially will enable you to prevent anybody from uninstalling or force quitting this application. So click on Install. Click on Done. Click on Activate. Click on Activate again. And it tells you that the setup was successful. So now nobody can uninstall this application without the password. Click OK. Now back out again of the settings. Click here to get back into the application. And you can now choose what you wish to restrict. So over here, for instance, you can restrict access to the Google Play Store. You can restrict install or uninstalling of application through the Android application manager. You could restrict or prevent the user from changing any of the settings. And down here you can restrict any of the applications that may be on the device that you're not comfortable with. So for instance, if you wanted to restrict Google+, simply click on here until the lock symbol moves over. Another thing you can choose is whether you want the application from being visible on the phone or whether you want it to be in the background, invisible. To click on the settings icon here Move down until you get to Hide Applock. If you click on that, you now have the choice of hiding the app on your phone. You can make it visible again through these two methods described here and here. I'm going to turn this back off now to show you the application on the actual device. So back out of this setting again. Click here to get back into Applock. And you're now, once you've made all your selections, you can back out of the application. Press exit, OK. So here you can now see the application on your phone. So access to the application is now restricted with a PIN code, so if we click on it, we first have to provide the PIN code that we initially set. And that opens the application. So without the PIN code you cannot open the application. So we have, for example, restricted access to the Play Store. So if we click on Play Store now on the device, you will see that you will need to provide the PIN code in order to access the Play Store. We have also during this process restricted anybody from uninstalling or force stopping the Applock application. So we can check that now. Go into Settings, scroll down to Apps, click on Apps. We can see up here Advanced Protection and Applock. So if we click on Applock, we can now see that you cannot uninstall or force stop this application. Same with the Advanced Protection. If you click on that, it cannot be force stopped or uninstalled. So that's it. This is one way of installing parental control settings on an Android phone.